Hi, I'm Chef Laura Hahn, chef and blogger for Guilt-Free Foodie Cutie, here today at the Community College of Philadelphia in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I'm going to show you how to make low-carb blue cheese dressing. Let's get started. So right here I have some really good crumbled blue cheese, some plain non-fat Greek yogurt, a little bit of white wine vinegar, some garlic, pepper, and salt. That is it. I love my chicken wings, but I always feel guilty with the blue cheese dressing, so this is a nice healthy alternative. So just pour your blue cheese in the bowl. You're going to pour about 1 cup of Greek non-fat yogurt. If you want to use a little bit of mayo and sour cream instead, you're not worried about the fat content, go for it. Okay, give that a little mix. Now some people like the blue cheese very well blended in their yogurt. I kind of like chunky blue cheese dressing. So, you know, when you're making it, you can decide how well you want to mash your blue cheese up. I just like it crumbled and then mixed in here pretty good. Okay, let's spice it up. We're going to use our white wine vinegar, a bit of that zest, teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of pepper, and then just a pinch of salt. Blue cheese is kind of salty to begin with, so just adding a little bit more to that. Okay, and then just mix it all together. Oh, it smells awesome. I love blue cheese. I know blue cheese is a very acquired taste, so if this is something you like, you're gonna love this recipe. If you let this sit in the fridge for about 1 hour before serving, it's gonna be 10 times more intense. The flavors will marinate together, it'll be great. So now to plate this up, I'm gonna put it with some celery. Right here, I just have a plate with some pretty celery, and you could do anything. You could have chicken wings or carrots or whatever you want. And we're just gonna take a nice little clump of it, put it right on our plate. It's an easy way to get somebody to have their celery. And there you have it. Again, I'm Chef Laura Hahn, chef and blogger for Guilt-Free Foodie Cutie, here today at the Community College of Philadelphia, and that's how you make low-carb blue cheese dressing. Enjoy.